Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. If you're an income investors who require regular, consistent quarterly dividend and the opportunity for some capital appreciation, the solution may be the business development companies or BDCs for short. The setup of a BDC is to generate investment income via investing in small and mid-sized companies, including distressed businesses. BDCs provide capital and expertise to help portfolio companies grow or work on the operational issues holding them back. Investment income flowing from the investment is paid out as dividend to investors. The fact that BDC is required to distribute a minimum of 90% of its taxable income along with its tax-exempt interest annually are positives for income investors. A top-performing BDC that has returned both capital and dividend to shareholders is Crescent Capital BDC Inc., traded on NASDAQ under symbol CCAP. It's a 721.6 million market cap BDC. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Crescent Capital operates as a specialty finance company originating and investing in the debt of private middle market companies largely situated in the U.S. Now, the debt tends to be below investment grade, so there is some risk, but there's also the potential for high reward. Crescent Capital has the mandate to maximize the total return for shareholders via dividends and capital appreciation. The company currently has investments in 183 portfolio companies with an aggregate fair value of $1.59 billion. Crescent Capital stock is currently hovering below its July 2024 52-week high of $19.63 per share, but is up 21 cents per year to date and 25% on an annual basis. Now, as of this recording, Crescent Capital is trading hands at $19.23 per share. That's above both its 50-day moving average of $18.80 per share and 200-day moving average of $17.68 per share. Moreover, the CCAP chart shows a golden cross. And now that's a bullish technical crossover when the 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average. And this suggests that there could be potential or additional upside moves in the near term.
And strong growth is helping drive CCAP stock higher.
Yeah, Crescent Capital BDC Inc. reports revenues as total investment income and earnings as net investment income. The results on both the top and bottom lines have been strong. The company's total investment income was $184.1 million in 2023, and that's up a pretty big whopping 57.8% from $116.7 million in 2022 and 95.9% above the $94 million registered in 2021. More recently, in the third quarter, Crescent Capital reported total investment income of $51.6 million, which was up 7% from $48.2 million in the year-ago third quarter. The third quarter results give the company a pathway to trump its 2023 results. Analysts expect Crescent Capital to grow its total investment income by 7.7% to $198.2 million in 2024. However, it's expected to slip or contract 10% to $178.4 million in 2025.
How about its bottom line or net investment income?
Look at the bottom line shows strong growth. Crescent Capital reported net investment income of $2.30 per share in 2023. That's up 19% from $1.93 per share in 2022, and roughly 38% from $1.67 per share in 2021. Now, in the third quarter, net investment income was 64 cents per share, up from 59 cents per share in the third quarter of 2023. Now, this beat the consensus of 57 cents per share by 11.3%. And this actually represents the fourth straight quarterly beat and best results in 4 quarters. Now, going ahead, analysts expect Crescent Capital to report higher net investment income of $2.41 per share in 2024, before dropping to $2.06 per share in 2025.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, this is something interesting. Crescent Capital stockholders get 8 dividends a year. How is that?
Well, Crescent Capital has paid dividends in 5 straight years, growing its dividend each year. The company pays 2 dividends each quarter, or 8 dividends annually. In addition to a regular dividend each quarter, Crescent Capital stock also pays a smaller supplemental dividend. Recent quarter, The company announced a supplemental dividend of 7 cents per share, which was payable on December 16th, followed by a regular dividend of 42 cents per share that was paid on January 15, 2025. Now, Crescent Capital Stock's current dividend equates to 49 cents per share for the quarter, representing a forward yield of 10.07%. Now, the recent supplemental dividend was Crescent Capital Stock's lowest in 2024, compared to 9 cents per share in August, 11 cents per share in May, and 10 cents per share in February. With an expected decline in the company's net investment income in 2025, its supplemental dividend could drop too, but expect the regular dividend to continue.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Crescent Capital is well managed, as demonstrated by return on equity of 12.8%. Insiders hold a relatively high 12.5% of Crescent Capital stock, while institution holders own 48.6%. For income investors, CCAP stock has delivered a high dividend yield along with moderate capital appreciation. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.